Stretch your legs. Stretch your legs. Begin with some Pavanamuktasana series for your joints. Keep your hands by the side of your body. Close your eyes. It's important to practice with complete awareness. Hands by the side of your body. As you breathe, stretch your toes, the ankle joints, your shin, calf muscles, your kneecap. Nicely stretch. Feel the stretch in all these joints. Breathing out gently, bring your toes inward. Feel the stretch below your legs to your calf muscles especially. Continue. Stretch. पाँव के पंजे अच्छे से आगे की ओर और फिर धीरे से पाँव अंदर की ओर. आंखें बंद. Stretch. Little more closer to the floor. And eight. Stretch. And eight. Stretch. And eight. Stretch. And eight. Stretch. And last two rounds. Stretch. Slowly in and maintain. Stretch. Last time. Stretch. In and maintain. Now, जिनको घुटनों में दर्द है, keep your left leg straight like this. Those of you got no knee pain, fold your leg like this. Ardha Virasana. Called Ardha Virasana. Fold your right leg, keep distance. दोनों पाँव, right पाँव के पंजे और heel में और left घुटने में अंतर. Keep distance. And practice with the correct leg. Right leg is folded, left leg is folded like it Ardha Virasana. If you have knee pain, stretch it straight like this. Keep your hands like this. Now breathe, breathing out. Left hand on your right knee. Turn your body to your right side. You may get a good stretch on the left side of your body. If you get too much of a stretch, gently do a dry massage. Twist. Center. One more time. Breathe in. Twist your spine to your right side. Little more. Thoda sa aur right. Little more to the right. Come to the center. One last time. We'll try and maintain slightly longer. Breathe in, breathing out. Left hand on your right knee. Right hand at the back. Twist. More twist. Now we'll do one more variation and then practice on the other side. Try to bring your heel and your knee closer. Reduce the gap between your heel and your knee. Repeat the practice. Breathe in, breathing out. Left hand, right knee. Twist your right side. So, two more rounds. Breathe in, breathing out. To your right. Last time. Breathe in to your right side. Little more to the right. Feel the stretch on the left side of your body. So, relax. Just relax. So then you practice on the other side. If it is very painful, just do a gentle dry massage. Practice. No? If you have knee pain, पाँव सीधे, otherwise fold into a Ardha Virasana. Palm अंतर. Set your hands straight. Right hand on your left knee. Twist. Simple twisting practice. Feel the stretch on your right thigh, stretch on the right side of your waist, your abdomen. Center. Continue. Try to bring your chin in line with your left shoulder. Center. One last time. All twisting practices help to prevent and control diabetes. Now, bring your foot closer to your knee. Repeat. Breathe in. Okay. Right hand on your left knee. Little more twist. Little more. Center. Breathe in to your left. Center. One last time. Release. Just relax. Sit in a cross-legged form. Bring your elbows closer. Keep your hands on your elbows touching each other. Please practice shoulder. Listen nicely. Take your hands up and now keep your head straight. Don't look down. One, slowly. Breathing in, elbows up and down. Two, three. Try to bring your elbows closer to each other. Four, hold your nasi. It may be difficult, but try bringing them as close as you can. And step, reverse. Nice, expand your chest, elbows closer, back straight. Try to bring your elbows closer. 3, check. 4, complete your practice. And just relax. You can simply just pat your shoulders, your upper back, your neck. Just relax. Keep hands in Padma Mukha. We practice neck exercise, a practice for our thyroid gland, and also for relaxing our neck muscles. Right palm is up. Now, as you breathe in, gently take your head up and down. Give a good stretch to your throat. Now, if you have neck pain, keep head straight. Otherwise, gently drop your head down. गर्दन में दर्द है पीछे, तो गर्दन सीधी रखेंगे. Otherwise, gently drop head down, chin to your chest. Raise your head. Turn your head to your right side. Chin in line with your right shoulder. Chin. Center to your left. Center. Give lateral breath. To your left. Shake. Rub your palms. Massage your neck, throat. Those of you got knee pain, continue to sit in the same pose. Those of you got no knee pain, घुटनों पे अगर कोई दर्द नहीं है, go into this pose where your hips are resting on your. घुटनों में दर्द है, इस पोजीशन में नहीं बैठ. Please do not attempt to sit in this pose. This is like Vajrasana, but you spread your knee. Now fingers pointing inward, उंगलियां अंदर की ओर. Now we're going to practice Simha Garjanasana. We're going to stretch your tongue out. आप like बैठ के गुड आलती पालती मार के भी ये प्रैक्टिस कर सकते. Now take your head up, keep your eyes open, and let your gaze be towards your eyebrow center. आंखें खुली रखेंगे. Breathe in, make a loud sound. Breathe in. Stretch your tongue out, make a loud roaring sound. Breathe in. Take your time. One more time. Breathe in. One more time. Breathe in. Last time. Breathe in. Ziban puri bahar. Let your tongue, stretch your tongue out. Make a loud sound. One more time. Breathe in. Loud roaring sound. Feel the stretch at the back of your throat. Good practice for thyroid gland to prevent colitis. Release. Just relax. Sit in a cross-legged pose. And just practice one round of Kapalbhati and then do some standing touch. Keep your back straight. This is for improving the health of the gut. So breathe in, maintain your own pace, neither too fast, not too slow. The lymph nodes in the abdominal region. So breathe in, start. Gently stop your practice. Just wait for your breathing to become normal. Please stand up. Keep some distance between your feet. We begin with Tadasana. Interlock fingers. अगर मुश्किल लगता है बैलेंस करने में, you can keep more distance. Keep your eyes open of the practice. Interlock your fingers. Start breathing in. Stretch your hands up. Turn your palms up. Raise your heels up. हाथ ऊपर, एरिया ऊपर. Raise your hands up. Heels up. Stretch. Nicely stretch your spine upward. पीठ को अच्छे से ऊपर किया. Now breathe in, breathing out. Bring your hands on your head. To stretch. Now keep your eyes open, otherwise you may fall. ठीक खुली रखेंगे, नहीं तो आप गिर सकते हैं. 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down. One last time. 7, stretch. Now see if you can give a lateral bend. अगर मुश्किल लगता है, you can bring your heels down. Otherwise, keeping your heels up, give a lateral bend. Center the left. Keep your eyes open. Right eye. Left eye. One last round after this. It is difficult. See if you can practice with your heels up. Last time. Left. Release. Relax. Now we'll do a practice for our shoulders with the knees slightly bent. अगर आपको घुटनों में थोड़ा ज्यादा दर्द होता है, so don't do this practice knees bent. Just do it with the knees straight. But the correct practice with bending the knees, हल्का सा bend. Don't bend your knees too much. Just gently walk. हाथ ऐसे सीधे. Set your hands straight. Now take your elbows in, only under, and take your hands up. Like look straight. 1 and up. 2 up. We'll go slow. 3 up. 4 up. 5 up. 6 up. 7 up. 8 up. 9 up. Last time. 10 up and maintain. Up. Bring your shoulder blades at the back a little closer. Now next variation. You're going to take your elbows, shoulders also in, and then hands up. See, elbows, shoulders a little behind, hands up. We'll start. Elbows, shoulders, up. 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 Last time. Elbows, shoulders, and up. Just relax. We'll practice backward bending. Interlock your fingers, Hasta Parsvasana. We'll try and maintain slightly longer. We'll do only one round, slightly longer. Interlock your fingers. Start breathing in. Gently take your head back. Stretch your hands towards the floor. Shoulder blades piche nazik. Shoulder blades at the back closer. Just maintain. Relieve all the stiffness of your upper back, neck, shoulder. Release and relax. We'll practice forward bending. जिनको back pain है, lower back, go more than shoulder height. ज़्यादा नीचे नहीं झुकना. Other. Keep slightly closer. Start breathing in. Stretch your hands up and back. Bend back. Breathe in. Stretch your hands down. Press your palms towards the floor. You can pump your hands to your right side, to your left side. Keep your legs straight in the knees. Feel the stretch to your lower back, pressure to the abdomen. Again, up and back. Practice few times like this. बिल्कुल अपनी क्षमता के अनुसार. Bring your hands as close to the floor as you can. Your knees straight. Pump your hands to the right, to your left. Practice 2-3 more rounds. 2-3 rounds और करेंगे. Practice correctly. Practice 2-3 rounds और हाथ ऊपर. Go down. Bring your hands close to the floor. हाथ जमीन के नजदीक. Go down, go down. Practice last 2 rounds. हाथ ऊपर. Go down. Give a good pressure to the abdomen. Good practice to the abdominal region. Complete your practice. Again, a practice for the knees. If you have knee pain, you can just do a simple twisting practice or a lateral stretch. Other, stretch your hands straight, feet parallel to each other. Now breathe in, go down. See if you can keep your heels up. Heels up. And now keeping your heels up, come up. And down, hands up. We practice 2 more rounds. Hand up. Keep your heels up if you can go down. If you find it difficult, keep your heels up. Maintain. Now, keeping your heels up, come up. If you find it very difficult, take the support of some chair or something. One last time. We'll try and hold slightly longer. Hands up. Heels up. Go down. Squat. Just maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently. Up. Please lie on your back. Relax. Close your eyes. Stretch your arms in line with your shoulders. Fold your legs in the knee. पाँव मिले हुए, घुटने मिले. Begin with a simple, a basic step. Slow. Bring your feet closer to the body. पाँव नजदीक, body के नजदीक. और पाँव मिले हुए, घुटने मिले हुए, पाँव मिले. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, bend both your knees to your right side. Feet on each other, knees on each other. Turn your face to your left. Okay. Come to the center. Gently bend your knees to your left. Turn your face to your right. Slow. Second round. To your right. As you breathe out, you bend your knees. श्वास छोड़ते हुए घुटने bend. Face to the opposite side. Slow. To your left. Slow. One last time. Right side. Slow. To your left. Come center. If you have knee pain, घुटनों में दर्द है, या sorry, lower back में pain है, repeat the same practice. Otherwise, bring your knees closer to your abdomen, like Pavanamukta से. घुटने पेट के नजदीक, chest के नजदीक. पाँव को उठा लीजिए. Lift your feet up. Repeat the practice. Breathe in, breathing out. Bend your knees to your right side. Let your right knee touch the floor. Right foot touch the floor. Face to your left. Feel the stretch of the side of your body. Slow. Knees closer to your abdomen. Gently drop your knees to your left. Left knee touching the floor. Left foot touching the floor. Face to your right. Slow. Right. Left. One last time. Right. Try to maintain. Bring your knees a little closer to the abdomen. घुटनों को थोड़ा सा पेट के नजदीक. And last time to your left. Face to your right. Come to the center. Release your legs. Release your hands. Just relax. Yes. Hold your legs in the knees. Bring your soles touching each other. पाँव के तलवे मिलेंगे. Soles touching each other. Place your hands on your knees. अपनी pelvic joints को अच्छे से open करें. Try to press your knees towards the floor. You may feel a certain pressure to the lower back. Just close your eyes. कुछ देर maintain करेंगे. Give the gentle arch to your back. Keep your breathing on. Press your knees towards the floor. पाँव के तलवे मिले हुए. Now, as you breathe in, stretch your hands. Have the chest stretched like Tadasana. If you have not practiced Tadasana, you are practicing in Bhadrasana, Yarunasana. To lower your knees towards the floor. Feel the stretch to your shoulders, to your back. Maintain. Release. Just take for a few seconds. Now keep your hands by the side of your body and raise your hips up. Continue to keep your soles touching each other. Raise hips up. Hips down. Second one. Raise your hips up. Stretch your hands behind. Hips up, hands behind, soles touching each other. पाँव के तलवे मिले. Release. Release your hands. Release your knees. And just relax for some time. We practice one round of Setubandhasana. Hold your legs in the knees, I'm sorry. Keep your feet hip distance apart. Hands as close to your heels as possible. Raise your hips up. Just maintain. Little more up. Raise your hips a little more up. Feel the pressure to the lower abdomen, lower back. Stretch your legs. Just relax. Now practice leg raises either with one leg or both the legs. Support your hands under your hips and practice slowly. You may not have done any practice at the weekend, and just do slowly. Whenever you feel tired, just take some rest and then continue. Vandana, switch your audio, please. Vandana, switch off your audio.
Switched off now.
No. How can I hear you then? Just switch it off.
Oh my God.
Wait, I'll show you. I'll switch it off. Okay, so. So complete your practice. Just relax. Close your eyes. Just relax for some time. Turn to one side. Okay. Sit up. We do one back practice and then do pranayama. Hold your right leg like this. Set your left leg in line with your body. Slightly difficult, see if you can. Left leg बिना घुटनों में fold. Now bring your body straight. Take your head up and down. Now breathe in, and as you breathe out, bend forward. Give a good pressure to the abdomen as it presents your thigh. Give a good forward stretch to your spine. Take your head down. Come up. Bend forward. Come up. Slowly, slowly. बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे. Breathe in, stretch forward. Take your forehead closer to the floor. Last two rounds. Come up. Breathe in. Stretch forward. One last time. Stretch forward. Just try to maintain. Go down a little more. Try to take your forehead closer to the floor. Hold your left leg. Stretch your right leg straight. Try to keep it in line with your body. Knees straight. It may be a little difficult, but feel that how much ever straight you can keep your right leg. Hands in front of you. Take your head back. This is the starting pose. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, stretch forward. Press your abdomen to your thighs, get closer to the floor. Give a good forward bend to your spine. Come up. Slow. Stretch. Go back. Two. Last two rounds. Back straight. Keep your eyes closed. Keep attention on your breathing. Practice 2-3 rounds of deep breathing, slow and deep breathing, and then you begin your Kapalabhati. Take a deep breath in, stop. Okay. Chakra practice. Keep your eyes closed. We're going to practice Anulom Vilom Bandha with the 3 bandhas, the Jalandhar Bandha, chin lock, Uddiyana Bandha is abdominal lock, anal lock is Mula Bandha. Close your right mouth. Just follow the instructions. We'll go slow. Close your right nostril. First 2 fingers at the eyebrow tip. Gently, without any sound, breathe in through left nostril. Close left nostril with your ring finger. Take your chin to your chest. Contract your abdomen. पेट अच्छे से अंदर की ओर. And apply Mula Bandha. Pull your anal muscles up. As though you're controlling your bladder. तीनों बंध लगा लीजिए. जालंधर बंध, उद्यान बंध, मूल बंध. Please head upward. Open right nostril. Breathe out. Release all the breath. Breathe in through right. Close right nostril. Close both the nostrils. Chin to your chest. Jalan bandh. Contract your abdomen. Uddiyana bandh. Contract your anal opening. Pull your anal muscles up. Gently raise your head up. Open left nostril. Breathe out. This completes 1 round. 4-5 round और लीजिए. Breathe in through left. Close left. Chin lock. Abdominal lock. Anal lock. कुछ देर श्वास रोक के रखेंगे. तीनों बंध लगा के रखिए. Raise your head fully upward and right. Breathe out. Breathe in through right. Close right. Apply the 3 locks. Chin lock, abdominal lock, anal lock. Breathe in through leg, close book, the nostrils, chin lock, abdominal lock, anal lock. Raise your head upper, open right nostril. Breathe in through right, close right, keep both the nostrils closed, chin to your chest, contract your abdomen, contract your anal. Raise your head up, open left, breathe out. One last round. एक last again. Maintain slightly long. Try to hold your breath the longest, chin to your chest. Apply the 3 locks, chin lock, abdominal lock, anal lock. Hold. Keep your mouth closed. Raise your head up, breathe out through right. Breathe in through right, close right. Apply the 3 locks, chin to your chest, contract your abdomen, contract your anal opening, hold your breath. Raise your head up. Keep your hands in chin mudra. We practice Om chanting. Back raise. Take a deep breath in. Relax your abdomen. Breathe in. Last round. Breathe in. Open. Please lie on your back for Shavasana, a quick Shavasana. comfortable distance between your legs. Keep your hands by the side of your body. Relax your right leg. Gently relax your left leg. Keep your back muscles loose and relaxed. Relax the back of your neck. Relax the back of your head. Gently relax the top of your head. Relax your forehead. Keep a gentle smile on your face to relax your facial muscles. Relax your throat. Relax your chest. Keep your abdominal muscles loose and relaxed. Mentally scan your body from your toes to the top of your head and from the top of your head to the tip of your toes. Gently bring your attention to your breathing and repeat in your mind that as slowly breathing, you're energizing your body. And as you slowly breathe out, you're relaxing your body. Just that. As you breathe out slowly, let go of all tiredness, the strain, the discomfort out of your body and mind. So, become aware of your body. Move your toes. Gently move your legs. Move your fingers, your hands. Turn your head from side to side. Come to the center. Stretch your hands behind. Practice 2-3 times, stretching your hands behind as you breathe in. Bring your hands back. Hands down. Turn to one side. Just wait for some time. Keep your eyes closed. Become aware of your surroundings, the ceilings, the walls, the objects in the room. And now gently take a pause of your hands, sit up, fold hands in Namaskar Mudra. We end the class with a Shanti Path. Chant withstand the vibrations of the prayer. Asato ma satgamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma amritam gamaya, sarvesham satyrbhavati, sarvesham shantirbhavati, sarvesham purnam bhavati, sarvesham mangalam bhavati, loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Swami. Thank you and see you all on Wednesday. Bye. I'll just switch off. Bye. Everybody a big bye.
Bye, Chitra.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.